Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2009 Kawasaki ER6N. We're going to take a walk around this good looking bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike has got right around 12,200 miles on it and is in very good condition. It's very clean. Found a couple of little chips on it, but other than that, no damage that it's ever been laid down or tipped over. Front end's in good shape. Our service department will be putting a new front and rear tire on this bike. There's one of the little rock chips I found right there. Like I said, otherwise the rest of this bike is very nice and clean. Like I said, we're putting new tires on it, so it's getting a new rear one as well. And here's the other chip I found. They both were in the gas tank. Alright, show you those miles now. 12,201 is what's on it. Well, found another chip here. This bike will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.